Okay, a lot of people are concerned about so many things, but I just need to give what I feel like. Now, first thing we have to see is the total too. That's what I would check, and total 2 is basically on a support. This is the resistant resistant area turn support. I'll just place a line here. This one is a horizontal. This horizontal line is the total to support here, this area. So basically it's on support. If we break this one, all will suffer a lot, but as of now it's on the support. It has gone down a little bit. That's the only reason we see that the huge sell off of a lot of alts, but alts will rally up due to one particular reason: the dominance hit support few times in the last week's time. Okay, and if you can see, one might say it's making a W and trying to go up, which is very much possible. If the BTC goes down, it will happen, but as of now what I see is this is the 4-hour chart. Not much of a huge difference comparatively, because it went from 40 to 42. It can go up to 44, 45, 46 maybe, but after that it will come down. That's what I feel, and it will break this support. There was a W with a higher high and it went up. This is the bear market which happened in 2009, 18 and 19. So people are expecting something similar here, but as you can see, this is a perfect double bottom. People will say definitely it will go down. Okay, but my point of view is a bit different. I feel like this will break down as of the conditions. This will go up and then break down. Okay, and let's go to BTC longs. They are increasing rapidly. See, they are increasing rapidly. They are not stopping. They are increasing more and more and more. Okay, this is the May. Okay, the May drop. How small was it? But still there was a big drop, and from there it increased, and from here the last 4 weeks the long decreased, but BTC went up, if you can remember these times. Now BTC is down and these longs are increasing, so which is weirdly interesting. And the shorts are getting decreased over time, and it's on like a mini support or something. The shorts are very much decreased comparatively. It's basically 1 to 40. Okay, and if we go to BTC chart, there are few things that I'm concerned about. Number one is the daily chart. EMA, we closed below 200. Now if we go, I'll go to the other chart, BTC BN BTC USD BUSD chart, because there's nothing I've driven up. Now I am concerned about one thing. Yesterday's candle, I don't like it. There are few reasons for it. We closed below the 200 day EMA. If you can see, whenever we closed below the 200 EMA, the drop is very bad. If we go more and more and more and more, okay, see, we haven't gone down 200 EMA for a very long time. We haven't closed below. When we closed here, see what has happened. We started at around, let's say 42, we went down all the way 30, but still it was really hard to catch up to this. Once we caught up, the rally started going up towards 52. Now we have closed below that. As of now, we are on top of it. Now the good thing is this is the last stand. It is the last stand where we can see that this trend line from 29 is somewhat made a third point here. And I told earlier, as long as we are inside this box, we are fine. We are out of the box now. So we have to consider few things now. Number one, we can drop until here. Okay, there is a high possibility that we could drop down to 32 area. There are few reasons. We have a 37 virgin pivot, we have a 34 gap, we have a 32 CME gap. Okay, to make this trend line as a support. But if we drop down to that level, coming up is really hard due to so many reasons, because we have a golden pocket. If I were to draw this, I'll roughly draw it. You can check by yourself. From here to here, this area, see, 38, 37 area is the golden pocket bounce. Now we bounce from the 0.5 level. This is what I like. I like the 0.5 level. See, exactly around that area. I like this one. I don't like the 0.61. People are talking about coming to this level and getting a bounce, but as of now I like this area. And if we are to open any long positions, the only place that we should open longs is after crossing this line. If we go beyond this, let me see, I will do like this. From here, take 1, take 2, take 3, take 4, take 5. Like this, it's okay. Unless longs are pretty much scary. But if you're there, you can open longs here. And you can put a stop loss below 786. That is around 5 to 6k below. But if you are to have some kind of equity with you, you can open this area, will be the best. Now apart from that, I don't recommend opening longs, but there is an interesting thing. Ethereum came to my level. I wanted this level so BTC could gain some dominance. That's really good. And BNB and Doge, the other two coins, they are below the support. Okay, they are way below the support, so they don't have any other choice but to go with BTC when BTC is going down. Now apart from that, this MA, I've back tested MA147 so many times, and if we go, we can see whenever we close below 147, drop was very good. If we go to furthermore, I don't think we can find. Okay, one will be close below and hard. So substantial drop could happen. We'll see whether we can get another one. Here again, close below, drop. So if you can see, this area that we are in is really good. You know the reason? We didn't have a significant drop here. We didn't have a significant drop here. This drop was planned. As you can see, I drew it, I showed it. Okay. Now if we are to see, I want to show you a pattern. Okay, a lot of people are going with the other type patterns, but I want to show you something different. This one, if you take this one, it looks similar, right? We had a drop, we went up, we had a drop. Very interesting place. And what happened after that? Bull run started, and this was a really good time where it went crazy up non-stop all the way. So it looks similar, right? A lot of people are not talking about this. I don't know why, but this is the candle I'm looking for now. We need to have that candle. So it looks like it's forming something, but we need to have a candle where it will close above 44-45 area. So until we go above 48, we are not bullish. We are still bullish in a bear market. Since 29, even if we went to 53 area, I still kept on saying we are bullish in a bear market. So we are still in a bear market. To be able to bullish, we have to cross 57 and say, okay, we are good. Now, if we go to weekly chart, that's the really interesting one. Okay. Okay, this one is the most interesting part. We are on a support. It's like a W. That's what I see. And we are on a support, and this trend line is very important trend line, and we yesterday closed below this. No, see, we closed just on top of that. So very interesting. So it's showing us that it's going down, but if you really see it, I see a cup and handle. This is what I see. So I'm still long. I'm not opening any shorts. I'm still happy because it didn't close below 38. So today's candle and today's this week's candle is very important. So people are expecting 38 to bounce from that. I would say if we meet 38, we'll go definitely 34 area. So that's a hard no for bulls. And if we are to take the bigger picture, it's like a bull flag, a huge one, to be honest. I'll show you like this. Like this, you can see the pole. I will take a screenshot and I'll show you. Okay, it's like a huge buffer wine like this. Now if we are to go up, it should go up same height as this, so that is around 29 to 52. That is around how much? 30, 40, 50, 52. So around 23. So around 23 means basically from this level. So 52 plus 23 is 75. Okay. Now, what I believe is with the cup and handle, this is the cup and handle. In the cup and handle, we have same 29 to 52. So target is possible to go up towards 80 first, then 100. But in order for that to happen, the only concern is Wyckoff. There was a Wyckoff pattern and it broke down. That's another big concern. So as of now, still I'm bullish. I will not open any shorts. I will keep my longs and see what today will bring.